Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace rear brakes on this 2019 GLC300. So what you want to do right now, I just want to key on. So do not start the engine. I'm actually going to step on the brake, release the parking brake. There we go. After I did that, I want to key on again. Once you see the airbag light came out, you want to go to navigate to the trip button, and you want to hold this and this at the same time. There you go. You hold it for about 3 seconds and then you'll come off this. You want to go to brake pad replace. Okay, so as you can hear, the motor was spinning. Once it's gone, you have a flashing light. Then you can key off. That's it. And then now you can safely work on the rear brakes. So right now we removed this bracket. This bracket is very easy to remove. All you want to do, it was like this, right? All you need is to get a screwdriver here, and then you push it in against this. At the same time, you release these two, and then it'll come out. Very easy. And then I actually jam a screwdriver here, and then I pry the caliper this way so that I can push in the brake pads. Okay. After you're done, this is a Allen 7. Okay. One more here too. Okay, so then after you loosen it, they'll come out like this. Alright, and then you can swing the caliper somewhere here, right there. Okay, and then you have two 18mm right there, 1 and 2. Right, you can get these two off, and then I'll see you after I remove the bracket. So after you remove the two 18mm right here, you're gonna take a ratchet and you're gonna unscrew that screw right here, this guy. Okay, so the new part number, Mercedes part number, is actually this one. That's the rotor we'll be using. That's the new brake pad. That's the number for my tax star right here. So yeah, I'm gonna install it and then gonna torque it down. So for this ball, the big 18, this one that goes here, it's actually 60 plus 45, 16 Newton meter plus 45. And the one for the guide pin, I usually clean them and then put it back. It's usually 35 Newton meter. So I'll put everything back and I'll show you guys later.